Oh wow. So you see this? He just shared his account. Well, the VIX 75 one is not my trade. The GEM 25 is not my trade. I barely trade those ones. But look out at the Crash 300. He is a massive profit. Like this just came in and he just joined when? Like yesterday? Man, things are happening. And the wow, he said, bro, it's the first time I made this money. I started yesterday with $100. You started yesterday with $100. You just saved my life. I am going to buy my kid school clothes. Thanks, you are a real deal. Wow, this is so touching. I so much love this testimony. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a very fantastic morning, and we are actually having the best cruise of the Crash 300. When I'm talking about the best cruise of Crash 300, what I'm trying to say is that we've made so much profit from Crash 300 that man is just used to us right now. So this is okay, I think that's a VIP that just sent me that message. So let's see what he has to say. Oh wow. So you see this? He just shared his account. Well, the VIX 75 one is not my trade. The GEM 25 is not my trade. I barely trade those ones. But look out at the Crash 300. He is a massive profit. Like this just came in and he just joined when? Like yesterday? Man, things are happening. And the wow, he said, bro, it's the first time I made this money. I started yesterday with $100. You started yesterday with $100. You just saved my life. I am going to buy my kid school clothes. Thanks, you are a real deal. Wow, this is so touching. I so much love this testimony. I wish I could call him and we have a conversation so he can tell us how, like, you guys can understand that this shit is real. Wow, bro. I'm so glad. I'm so happy for you. I am so happy for you. I love this. Congratulations. All right, guys. Wow. This is someone else. I've already closed. I can never hold a crash trade for long. Those spikes make me nervous. Guess it will come with time. So this is another VIP. Yesterday said started with $29 and right now is on $80. Okay, let's just ask him. Show us what you made, bro. How much did you close with? Okay, so he's gonna respond to that, and now let's get back to the chat. So welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue FX, and as I said earlier, we are milking the market. Crash 300 has been massive for us. This is yesterday. We gave three trades out, and we were able to smash all our TPs. We went for a sell first, then we went for the big 75 second, and we now went for a buy on the Crash 300. Now, okay, the messages are coming in. I know you want to see these testimonies with me. Let's go there. I'm so happy to share it to you. Wow. Okay, he's asking for a TP on C300. I'll be with you shortly. Okay, I'm going to respond to that shortly. Although I already have that already have that already have that out, you see. So guys, this is the C300 and I have different positions running. Okay, I have a lot of different positions running. So currently we're in profit, and guys, you know how I got to see this rejection? Because prior to now we've been talking about, like, now I'm going to give you a little bit of lecture, so let's just listen. Like, in fact, first of all, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it to your friends, let them join the blue white team. We are making massive profits. So let's just go there. If you want to join this, just click on the link you're going to find on the description of this video, and also you can find the link to the free Telegram channel as well, where we post. Okay, sometimes we give free signals, but it barely comes. Like, it barely comes. I treat my VIPs as VIP. So the mentorship class is also running, so you can just click the WhatsApp link, you get back down to me, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know. Account management, everything is running up and clear. So back to what I was saying. Okay, this is the C300, and I want to show you guys a lot of things on this chart. Today's market was, I got that from, let me see, I think I was on the 1 minute. Yeah, I was on the 1 minute time frame, and this candle has been is been buying. Now let me show you this. Today we already got on this trade, but immediately we were about to take it, the spikes came and I had to tell them to hold. I'm looking for okay, here. This is it. So by the time I must have dropped the signal so that we can get into the trade, a spike came immediately. So the spikes came and I told them to hold on. We are going to get into the trade when we find a better entry. So now this was what the market was looking like and left us like we're waiting for it. I actually wanted the market to get down to let's see, this is 30 minutes. Let me see if I can get down to the okay. So prior to now, I've talked about this. So now this is where I got this entry from, where I was supposed to like get this entry after this pullback. But that notwithstanding, we are still going to go in, hold it straight till it gets to the SL. Sorry for interception, guys. So we had some panic going on, okay, on the channel, so I had to go calm them down. So we're back to the video. So you see why it's very good to trade with price action, because I think I gave the TP already. I think you didn't just see it. This was the TP. I gave the TP 3866. 3866. While the other one was the TP2 was 3905. 3866. So this is our TP1. So that's not even what I'm going to talk about now. So let's get back to the chart. So we had a long spike that came. You see the spike that came and it claimed a lot of parts of our chart. So I was talking about this in this candlestick here. That's why it's always important to play with the candlestick. So this market already went a long way, but I was still waiting for a pullback. When I talk about a pullback, a retracement, something like this is what I was looking for, but it didn't come. But instead, I saw a little spike here. This spike now could be that decisive candlestick for you to scalp. It's been a very long one. That's why you have to trade with psychology. Psychology is also part of trading. It's been a long one, and this spike just came a little, which covered up immediately. And this is an uptrend. It might not happen again for a long time, and it gives you opportunity to scalp the candles, maybe 5 candles, and leave the market. Now, after that must have happened, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. If you've watched my previous video, I talked about this was where we got this other line from, this one that's here, the horizontal line here. We got to, I think, on the 4 hours, which, let me bring out this, which covers this and this point here. And now I also talked about that if we're in a trade, that this market will get down, this will be RTP1, while here, which no, this will be RTP1, here will be RTP1, while here will be RTP2. And as it will happen, this RTP1 was smashed on our previous trade. It was smashed, but this didn't get to this TP2, which is now returned. So by the time it's returned, you now know that, because once you are going for a TP2, you have to trail your SL. That's bring your SL above your entry. So whatever it closes with, it does, you don't lose anything, you still close with profit. So that's why when I tell my VIPs trail your SL, okay, it means you accumulate your profits. You trail your SL to above or below your entry, depending if you are going long or short. Okay, so that has happened now. Now let's go to, this is the art of price action I'm trying to show you guys now. Now let's go to, let me get this arrow, because well, I'll still do that, I'll still check on that again. Now let's go to the 30 minutes. What have you observed there? Now I talked about us having something like head and shoulder. If you watched my previous video, the video I just made some days ago, I've talked about here being at head and shoulder. So it was expected to sell at this point to cover these levels here. Okay. And when it got down to this level, the market started pushing up again. That's when, after I've said that this was supposed to be our TP1, while here will be our TP2. Now let's go to the current day. Today, what's happening in the markets today? Now, what you observe? What did you observe there? Where market started spiking from, on the 15 minutes, or was it the 5 minutes? Hold on, I think a message just came in again. Where this market spiked from, I don't know, it should be on the 15 minutes, but there is a bit. I'm trying to find something. Yes, it was on the 1 hour time frame that I was able to detect. This is like a lecture, it might be boring, but if you listen, you're going to learn one or two things. So now you see that where the spike started coming from was at this level, which is supposed to be our TP1. But instead, I kept our TP1 above, I think at this level, because we are going for high probability. But while on that journey, you are meant to accumulate some of the profits that, like, if you opened more than one position, you have to take some profits. So this happened to be at TP1 while he is at TP2. So here was just a retest. It's not really like market actually drew down from this. So that's why I had to ignore this level here and put it at this level, where I expect market to really start pulling down, okay, if it wants to do anything. You've seen that at this level, this is a double bottom. No, okay? Markets came down here and went back up. And it was, when you go into different time frames, you now see the market differently. You might end that head and shoulder. I think we saw it. It's not really obvious on the 30 minutes, but I think if you look at the 15 minutes, it's actually very obvious. If you bring down, let's see, that's why it's good to use a wider screen. Now you see that it's quite very obvious here to sell down. So guys, if you actually want to join the VIP, you want to make this money with us, if you want to learn the art of price action, because I love trading with price action. So let me even tell you, you don't really need indicators for this. This works on all time frames. It works on VIX 75. It works on crash, boom, and some people apply it to currencies too. So these are things that are likely to happen. Price action is about you comparing the past to the present. As I showed you earlier on the crash 300, we have horizontal lines running where market is likely to reject from and all of that. And now we are back to almost close to where we stopped making profit. So you don't have to panic about this kind of market, because it's an uptrend to start with, and you are very sure that you are going to make good money out of it. Now let me show you what I just did to the VIPs. Here in the VIP, I had to come back and told them the art, always accumulate profit while others are running to stay profitable. But don't panic, because when the spike came, it went back into our entry. Some people will panic. Oh, I don't know, I would have taken the profit and all of that. And maybe that my VIP that texted me asking for the TP. Meanwhile, the TP is there. Maybe we would have accumulated some. But don't panic, because once you've seen the market clearly, it's another thing is trusting your analysis and not being too, we give two signals, three signals that are of high value. We don't need to give you 10 signals in a day for you to make it. No, we have to look out for good setups. So whenever you're trading, look out for good setups. Have reasons for going into the market, okay? Have reasons. So guys, don't play with the team. So if you want to join us, just check the description of this video, okay? Hit the, okay, this is had one entry, $6, little bits add up, so I'm chilled, okay? He's okay with the profit he just made. He's chilled. That's cool, man. Congratulations to all of you guys. That I know it's not everyone that brings it up. So if you want to join us, hit the description of this video. You're going to find the link to the Telegram channel free. Yeah, you can join for free. Then we have the VIP where we post the signals. You can join that one also, okay? So don't play with the Blue Boy team. We are here to milk the market.